How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of knots in your lower back. Before we begin though, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me or buying some cool fitness and health products, have a look in my description box, you guys. So what are muscle knots exactly? Muscle knots are hard, sensitive areas of the muscles that tighten and contract even when the muscle is at rest. So that's what a muscle knot is, you guys. So what causes them? How do you get muscle knots? Injuries from overuse, such as doing an odd movement, wrecking your shoulders, doing bad movement, such as an upright row, you guys. Very bad movement. Heavy lifting or repetitive motions that are very bad in nature. For example, tennis, constantly hitting the tennis ball over and over again. That can cause some shoulder issues, you guys. Swimming can cause muscle knots as well. Poor posture is the main one though. Don't get me wrong, you guys can still play tennis, you can still swim. Those are perfectly fine. We're talking about overdoing the motions in a bad, incorrect form. So if you're playing tennis, you're swimming, you have proper form, you have nothing to worry about. But poor posture. So coming from a lazy lifestyle, you guys, that's how our society is. Lack of exercise, 2/3 of our population is overweight. Prolonged sitting at desk and constant stress. So you're gonna get the muscle knots because what's happening is we're constantly hunched over, you guys. We're lazy. You're gonna get knots in your back. So what are the best exercises you can do? And hands down, the best thing that you can do for your muscle knots is massage the knot in a circular motion. So again, we are talking about the lower back, you guys. We're talking about our erector spinae. It's going to be very hard for you guys to massage it if it's just you. So what you can do is you can try your best. You guys can see my erector spinae. It's pretty developed from all the lifting weights. Try to rub whatever area with the best of your ability. Again, your back is going to be pretty tough to do. So what you could do is, if you're pretty flexible in your shoulders, try to get the area, and again, circular motion. You can use your fingernails or your fingertips, but you can also use the knuckles. And again, we want to do circular motions, you guys, nice and circular. This is going to help get rid of the muscle knot. So the best thing that I can recommend, because that may be a little tough, get someone that you know, get someone that you're comfortable with, lay down and have them massage it. And again, most of us live in a household with multiple people, so just ask someone there to rub it. But again, you can do it yourself. You can reach behind, rub it, circular motion, use your fingertips, use your knuckles, and then you can use your palms too, and just circular motions. Another good thing that you can do is going to be a tennis ball or a foam roller. So you set that on the ground, you guys, and then you roll on it. It feels freaking amazing. I use foam rolling tennis ball, you guys, to really help my muscle knots, to warm up the exercises, to warm up my muscles before I exercise, and to just get my mobility going, you guys, before I do heavy lifting. I have tennis balls, I have foam rollers, I have all that in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Another good item is a Theracane, you guys. Theracanes are freaking phenomenal. It's basically kind of like a little stick, and it reaches behind your body, you guys, and it gets rid of the muscle knots because it allows you to, again, reach behind, because our hands are not long enough. So that is in the description box as well. If you guys really want me to make a video, I can make a video on the Theracanes if you guys want. But again, those are just some massaging tools that I do recommend. Tennis ball, foam roller, Theracane, all of them are in my description box if you guys want to check them out. But again, the best item is going to be the massaging using your hands. People are going to ask me stretching. Does stretching help? Stretching helps to some degree, but in all honesty, it's not going to help as much as the actual massaging, the foam rolling, the tennis ball. You can try to stretch it out, but again, your results are probably not going to be as good as if you guys just massaged it. And again, one thing that I mention to people all the time is consistency. You guys have a little bit of patience. The first couple of days that you do it, it's not going to feel a lot better. You're going to have to give it a couple of weeks, really try this method out. Give it some time, you guys. Patience is key. Maybe give it a month, 2 months, and then you will notice that the muscle knots are completely gone, you guys, completely gone. And again, it just takes massaging, circular motions, fingertips, knuckles. You can use your palms as well, you guys, and just, again, work your way get it out. Use, if someone's in your household, ask them. So end the video, you guys. I really do appreciate the support. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like the video, share it. Follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Again, thanks for watching.